Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will unbox and test a new toy, the intelligent cat or talking tom cat toy, having lots of features as display on box, recording, music, story, touch. Let's open the box now. Here is our intelligent tomcat. It is available in two colors with funny face, white and grey. It required 3 AA batteries. Use fresh battery for better result. Let's discuss the feature with practical. Talking tom cat repeat what you say in a funny way. Copy your voice and speak back to you clearly. Let's check. Hello cat.
Hello cat.
How are you?
How are you?
Hope you will be fine.
Hope you will be fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Touch his left ear for kids music and right ear for stories. Let's check.
Why am I upset? I met that child again.
Also having interesting touch function. Touch face, right leg, left leg, tail, tummy, and you will hear different funny sounds. Let's check. Face. Left leg. Right leg.
You touched my foot.
Tummy.
It's so itchy. Please do not touch me any longer. It's itchy. Itchy.
Tail.
Ouch. Ouch. Please don't hit my face. Little boy, I'm going to faint.
Thanks for watching, friends.
Ouch. Please don't hit my face. Little boy, I'm going to faint.
Dear friends, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.